Hi. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning. Bagunara, Bagunara. Everyone manchi at home. Yeah, okay, very good, very good, very good. So what's going at home? Chilling or studying? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? Bagu, chilling with study. Yeah, so this is the time to chill, but right now to chill with study. Yeah, sir, for us, study is never a burden. For us, study is also a type of chilling. That is what we are doing, sir. Yeah, we are doing chilling, sir, and we are doing chilling with study. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah, ha. We are ultra legends, sir. Yeah, normal kids chill with movies, legends adult chill with games, legends chill with web series. We are ultra pro legends. We chill with study. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, okay. So shall we start with the class? शुरू करें क्या? Shall we start with the class? शुरू करें? Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. I'm looking awesome. When I don't look awesome, come on. Yeah, okay. Maybe hairstyle is not that much perfect right now, but it's okay. That is enough. Yeah, okay, no problem. Otherwise, Zoom will not be able to tolerate my awesome look, na? So that's why, okay, no problem. Huh? Okay, so what we studied in the last class, any idea you can give me? Acha, y velocity. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah. So y velocity will get reverse. Yeah. I was saying along x there will be no change. Along y your velocity will be reversed. Yeah. And we did one question also. Few formula also we derived. Everyone remembered all those formula? Tell me what is the velocity of the projectile at maximum height? What is the velocity of the projectile at maximum height? U cos theta. Velocity of the projectile at maximum height will be ux. That is u cos theta. U cos theta. What is the formula for time of flight? Time of flight. Time of flight. Yeah, 2u sin theta by g, or you can say 2ui by g. Sometimes we use u sin theta, 2u sin theta by g. Sometimes we use 2ui by g. Okay, no problem. What is the formula for h max? H max formula? U square sin square theta by 2g or ui square by 2g. Ui square by 2g or u square sin square theta by 2g. Depending on situation, any one of them we can use. No problem. Yeah. Tell me what is the formula for the range? Yeah, 2ux ui by g, or we can say, sir, u square sine 2 theta by g. U square sine 2 theta by g or 2ux ui by g. Okay, no problem. Is there any relation between tan theta h max and r? Tan theta equal to 4 h max by r. Tan theta equal to 4 h max by r. Okay, no problem. And I feel some basic questions we did from here. Based on all this formula, we did some basic questions now. Yeah, okay, no problem. Very good. So some basic problems we did based on this formula. Okay, no problem. Today we will do some more questions and we will talk about some more situations related with our projectile motion, related with our oblique projection. And today we will try to finish out our part of oblique projection, so that from the next class we can start with horizontal projection. Is it okay? Deal done? Eh? Yeah, okay, no problem. Now understand. Yeah, okay, no problem. So I will talk about one more situation, one more type of question which is asked somewhere. So we'll talk about that question. Then we'll talk about some more properties related with projectile motion. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. One question is asked from here. I'm talking about one famous question which you'll find in every book, and this famous, it can come directly in your NEET also. So just see here how we'll be talking about this formula. Just see how we'll be talking about this situation. Just see. What happened? Sometime one question is asked like this. Always remember, this question can come for a car also, question can come for a boat also. So just see here how we'll be talking. Assume we have a car. Assume I'm having a car, I'm inside a car, or we have a car which has a gun fitted vertically upward. You can see this is a car. Okay, no problem. Right now car is at rest. Right now car is at rest. This car has a gun fitted upward. Okay, no problem. This car has a gun fitted upward. Tomorrow they can say you there is a ship in the ocean and that ship has one gun fitted upward. Okay, gun fitted, gun pointing vertically upward. Okay, no problem. Actually, you tell me right now, if I fire the gun, what will happen to the bullet? How bullet will come? Right now, if you fire the gun, how bullet will come? Bullet will go vertically upward. Of course, sir, gun is pointing upward, sir. If the gun is like this, if you fire the gun, bullet will go vertically upward and it will come down. Okay, vertically upward projection. It will be like vertically upward projection because gun is pointing upward. Of course, if gun is pointing upward, if you fire the bullet, gun will go vertically upward. Now just see here. Now just see here. Yeah. Assume speed of firing of the bullet to be V naught. Assume the speed if okay, no problem. Assume the speed with which bullet is fired to be V naught. Assume the speed with which we are firing the bullet to be V naught. So right now bullet will go vertically up and it will come down from there. Okay, no problem. But now assume right now our car is at rest. But assume the situation if your car is also moving with some velocity u naught. Now if you fire the bullet, can you tell me now still bullet will go vertically up? No, now bullet will not go vertically up. Can you tell me why? Why it will not go vertically up? Now it will move as a projectile. It will follow parabolic path. Always remember, since your bullet is in the gun is in the car. So if your car is moving with velocity u naught, once you'll fire, gun will also get velocity of, bullet will also get velocity of car. So now bullet will have two velocity, one in horizontal, one in vertical. This will behave as ux of the bullet. This will behave as ui of the bullet. So now bullet will not go vertically up. Your bullet will follow parabolic path. So question is asked, at what distance from firing? For example, one enemy is here. At what distance from firing enemy should stand so that bullet will hit him? So you can find the range. Range will be coming as you know range 2ux ui by g. So from here we can put the value. What is ux? Ux will be your u naught. What will be your ui? Ui will be v naught by g. This range is asked which we can find very easily. Yeah. Everyone got the idea? Then we will discuss it little more. We will discuss it little more, this situation. First thing, you tell me, does everyone got the idea? If the car is going with velocity u naught, once you fire the bullet, bullet will also get same velocity u naught. Because bullet is present inside the gun. For example, when you are present inside the train, maybe you are sitting in the train, but you are not at rest. If the train is running with 60 km per hour, can you tell me what will be your speed? What will be your speed? You may be feeling that your speed will be also 60 km per hour because you are inside. Same thing is happening here. If your car is going with velocity u naught, you are not giving any velocity to the bullet in horizontal direction. But once you fire, due to firing, it will get velocity v naught. But since bullet is in the gun and since gun is attached to the car, so your bullet will also get the velocity of car. So instead of going vertically up, it will go as a projectile. It will be a parabolic path. Is it okay? Done, done, done. Bolo, 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 bolo. So next time when you will be traveling in train and your mom calls you and asks, beta, what you are doing? Say to her, I am running with a speed of 60 km per hour. Say to her like that. Then she will be surprised. Use physics in your day-to-day life, na. And when your mom calls, whenever you are in journey, they will keep on calling, what doing, where reached, where reached. Say to them like this next time. When you are in the train, your train is going with 60 km per hour. Your mom asks what you are doing. Say, I am running with the speed of 60 km per hour. Is it okay? Acha, by bus also you can say. Same thing you can say. Yeah, Yeah, Ashwak, your mom will think like that. No problem. Yeah. So this is how we can talk about. Acha, few more things I will talk here. Which we will get later on also. Acha, you tell me. Be focused. One more point. Be focused. Just see here. Yeah. Acha, what you feel? According to this man, according to the man on the ground, according to observer on the ground, what will be the path of the bullet? You are seeing here, according to observer on the ground, what is the path of the bullet? It will be a parabola. According to him, it will be a parabola. He will see that bullet is coming in parabolic path and he hit me. But according to the driver, for example, some driver is present in the car. Can you tell me, according to him, what will be the path? According to him, path will be vertical straight line. According to him, path will be vertical straight line. It will be a vertical straight line. According to the man in the car, path of the bullet will be not parabola, because his horizontal velocity and horizontal velocity of bullet both are equal. He will not see this velocity. He will see only vertical velocity. So he'll feel that bullet is going vertically up and coming vertically down. So according to him, path will be a vertical straight line. Done. Bolo. Okay, no problem. And here I will tell you one more thing which is given in NCERT exemplar. One question is there given in NCERT exemplar. Just see here. Be focused, understand. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Okay. Understand here how we'll be talking. Yeah. So if car is going with u naught in horizontal, bullet will also get same velocity u naught. That's why driver of car will not see horizontal velocity. He will see only vertical velocity. So according to him, bullet will go vertically up. It will come vertically down. This part is done. Now understand. Yeah. Assume situation, the instant you fire the bullet and if you apply the brake, can you tell me where bullet will fall? Ahead of the car or behind car or on the car? If you apply the brake now, you will travel less distance. Bullet will travel more distance. It will fall ahead of you. Achha, tell me, if you continue to move with the same speed u naught, then where bullet will come? Exactly on the car. This bullet will also come on the car. Here, whenever such thing is done, a driver of the car applies brake, it will fall. So one question is asked. I will talk about that question, then we'll move further. You write the question. You write. Yeah, You write. A man is sitting inside. A man is sitting inside an open car. Are you understanding meaning of open car? A man is sitting inside an open car. Means topless car. Yeah. The car is a costly car. Yeah. Open Jeep. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So directly everyone says costly car, sir. Okay, no problem. Yeah. A man is sitting inside an open car. He tosses a coin vertically upward. Identify the point where coin will fall. He tosses a coin vertically upward. Identify the point where coin will fall. A man is sitting inside an open car. He tosses a coin. Tosses a coin means that coin is going to more height. Don't think it just like this. Not like this. Tosses a coin means he has given more impulse to the coin. Coin is going to more height. Okay, no problem. He tosses a coin. Identify the point where coin will fall if first situation you have to tell me, if car is moving with, first one, constant velocity. Constant velocity means acceleration is 0. Second, you have to tell me exactly in his hand or front of his hand or behind of his hand. Okay, no problem. Yeah. First, constant velocity means acceleration 0. Second, speeding up means he's increasing his speed, speeding up, where acceleration will be positive. Third, retarding, where acceleration will be negative. You have to tell me in these three cases where it will fall. Suhas has given correct answer. Ashwak has given correct answer. Khaja has given. Very good. Very good. You got the idea. Yeah. First one exactly in the hand. Second one behind. Third one forward. Yeah. Front. In the hand, ahead and backward. Yeah. I think everyone will get. Okay, no problem. So first one will come exactly in the hands. Exactly in hands. Second one will come behind his hands or behind him. You can say no problem. Third one will come in front. Everyone is getting idea. Everyone is getting idea about these points. Yeah, again, just I know, I think you are getting idea, no problem, but still I will say, just here, okay, no problem. Those who are getting any doubt, there should not be any doubt. Important situation, question can come. This is how in the train you can check whether station is coming or not. Because if a station is coming, train must be retarding. This is the method you can use in the train to understand whether station is. Nowadays we have GPS. Nowadays we have everything we can do. But in olden days, people used to check like this. TT will be also not in the train. So they used to check like this. They will take something, some coin, and they will toss. If the coin falls in front of them, that means train is applying brake. Means station is coming. Are you getting the idea? Right now train app is there na baba. Previously it was not there na. Right now I know live location you can check. Right now no need to do. Yeah. But previously people used to do all this thing. Yeah. So if the train is moving with constant velocity, if you are moving with constant velocity, your velocity and coin velocity both will be same in the horizontal direction. If the coin will travel distance of 10 meter in horizontal, you will also travel 10 meter in horizontal because you are moving with constant velocities. That's why coin will fall exactly in the hands. But if you speed up, you tell me, if you are speeding up, who will travel more distance? Coin will travel more distance or you will travel more distance? You will. Sir, we will travel more. If we travel more distance, coin kuncham, nenu chala, coin kuncham, nenu chala. So nenu will go further, coin will be left behind. That's why it will fall behind. You tell me, if it is retarding, then who will travel more distance? If it fall behind, then who will travel more distance? Coin will travel more distance. If coin will travel more distance, who will be left behind? We will be left behind. So that's why coin will be falling in front. Done. Bolo. Targa. Final. Without any doubt, everyone will get. Okay, very good. So this is how we talk about this type of basic questions which we can get. Now understand. We'll move further. Before that, from here, one question is very famous. One part of this entire projectile motion, if you see last 10 years question, one part is always asked. that is related with range. There are some special properties of range. Always remember, for a particular angle, your range will be. Can you tell me for what angle range will be maximum? 45 degree, 45. Always remember, if you have to throw anything to the maximum distance now, you have to throw it at 45 degree. When you throw at 45 degree, projectile will go to maximum horizontal distance. That is the maximum range which projectile can have. You can write special properties of range. We are doing as a separate topic so that when you revise, you'll be revising it properly. Special properties of range. And recently you have heard now, recently means if you remember, Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal. कुछ याद है? Neeraj Chopra won the, what technique Neeraj Chopra used? What technique? Why his range? Why his javelin went to maximum distance? Because his projection was almost 45 degree. And same Neeraj Chopra thrown javelin 3 times. There they give 5 attempts. He took only 3 attempts. 3 attempts he throw. All the 3 times his javelin don't went to the same distance. Only once it went. So all the time he's throwing with the full power. Same speed he's throwing every time, but every time not going to same distance. Who is the culprit there? Who is playing its role there? Tell me, who is that? Angle. Always remember, if you want your projectile to go to maximum distance, you have to throw at particular angle. That angle is 45 degree. You write this point. For any projectile to have maximum range, angle of projection must be, for any projectile to have maximum range, angle of projection must be 45 degree. For any projectile to have maximum range, angle of projection must be 45 degree. So always remember, tomorrow someone came, he gave you a ball and he said, throw it to maximum distance. You will throw the ball at an angle of 45 degree. You'll throw the ball at an angle of 45 degree. Now you'll be simply thinking, sir, how you are so sure that only 45 degree? Why not 44 degree? Why not 40 degree? Why not? I'm sure because I have a mathematical proof for it. We can prove it mathematically. We can prove it. Of course, exactly 45 degree not possible. Of course, exactly 45 degree not possible, but close to 45. Close to 45. Yeah. Okay, just see it. Someone said, sir, range of the projectile will be maximum for 45 degrees. Someone came to me and he said, okay, sir, we believed. You said through at 45 degree range will be maximum. But how you are so sure, sir? How, where is the proof? Proof is mathematics. Mathematical proof is there. I can prove it mathematically. See here how we can say that y range is maximum only for one particular angle, that is 45 degree. Just see here. Yeah, many of you are knowing, but still we will talk. Just see here. Yeah, I will simply say, sir, we already know. You already know this. Sir, range I know. Sir, range is, sir, u square sine 2 theta by g. Sir, what do you want? Sir, what do you want? Yeah, velocity, depending on your velocity, that particular range will come. Okay, no problem. Someone asked me, sir, for a fixed velocity, if you talk, sir, I'll be simply saying, sir, I want this range to be maximum. If you want your range to be maximum now, this sine 2 theta must be maximum. This sine 2 theta must be maximum. Or your velocity of projection will be fixed. You cannot throw with 100 km per second. Impossible. You will have a limit. That is your maximum strength of throwing. That is the, you are throwing with maximum strength. But every time projectile will not go to same distance. If you want it to go to maximum distance, up to your maximum limit, the sine 2 theta must be maximum. At maximum value of any trigonometric ratio, you know, sine function is how much? That will be 1. 1 also means sine 90. That means, sir, if you want your projectile to go to maximum range, sir, sine 2 theta should be maximum. Maximum value of sine 2 theta can be 1, sir. So from here, 1 is also sine 90. From here, if you compare, 2 theta will be equal to 90 degree. That means you'll get the theta for which range is maximum. This is the theta for which, this is the proof I was talking about. Your range will be maximum. And what is that maximum range? What is this maximum range? Maximum possible range will come. Maximum possible range will come. For maximum possible range, this sine 2 theta will be 1. So maximum possible range will come u square by g. This is the maximum possible range. But if you want this range, body to have this range, if you want your body to have this range, you must throw the ball at 45 degree. If you throw at 45 degree, it will go to maximum horizon. They always don't say range. Many times they say maximum horizontal distance. Maximum horizontal distance. Maximum horizontal distance. So this is the first special property of range. So you tell me, what is the maximum possible horizontal distance up to which we can throw any ball? What is that maximum horizontal? U square by g, u square by g, u square by g, u square by g. For this, in order to achieve this, what should be angle of projection? In order to achieve this, what should be angle of projection? 45, 45, 45. And you know why this 45 comes? You know why this 45 comes? Because nature loves symmetry. This is a symmetrical angle. Later on also I'll use this word symmetry. Exactly between, observe this 45 degree. Without maths also I can prove it. Exactly this total is 90 now, which is a symmetrical angle equally from both of them. 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. That's why body goes to maximum distance. Nature loves symmetry. You know that. See the shape of Earth, spherical, symmetrical. See the shape of every planet, symmetrical, spherical. Those who are not spherical, they are not stable. See all the asteroids and everything. Human is also symmetrical. Adha is side, adha is side. Same. Symmetrical doesn't mean spherical, Baba. Both same on both sides, na? Nature loves, but that is. This word is not my word. Yeah. It is a star you represent like that. Re Baba. You represent star like this. Shape is not like. Who is that? Khaja kya bol rahi hai? Stars you represent like this. Their shape is not this. Hey Bhagwan. Chi. For drawing we represent in childhood like that. But shape is not like that. Pansar is spherical and stable, you see. Okay, no problem. Everyone got the idea? You see all the flowers. Rose people like the most. Why rose people say most beautiful? Because it's symmetrical. Lotus more beautiful, symmetrical. All the flowers are symmetrical. Symmetry. You can check on Google definition of beautiful faces. Definition of beauty. They will say the face which is symmetrical is considered to be beautiful, like mine. Okay, no problem. Yeah, Amber. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. Nayak, it was self dabba last year. Now I have become SSD. I am increasing my label. Super self dabba right now. Oppo is saying joke. So what you thought, Oppo, it was what? It was reality. Yeah, who thought sir is saying in reality? Yeah, okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, do one question, chalo. Do one question. Do one question. Right? You write. Again, previous year, simple question, previous year question. I will give you. You write. A gun can fire a bullet. A gun can fire a bullet. Acha, okay, no problem. Huh? He keep on saying like that. I don't care. Okay. You write. A gun fires a bullet to a maximum horizontal distance of. A gun fires a bullet to a maximum horizontal distance of 16 kilometer, 16, to a maximum horizontal distance of 16 kilometer, 16. Find the firing speed of bullet. Find the firing speed of bullet. 40 or 400. Ganesh, don't do calculation mistake. It is previous year NEET question, simple question, yeah. So I think 400 will come, Baba. 16 kilometer it is going. So I'll simply say, sir, what is given? Maximum horizontal distance means maximum range is given. A gun can fire bullet to a maximum horizontal distance of 16 kilometer. Maximum horizontal distance of 16 kilometer means maximum range is 16 kilometer, which you can write 16 into 10 to the power 3. You will convert it to meter, and this maximum range, you know, u square by g. G means 10. So if you put it here, it will become u square will become 16 into 10 to the power. Already 3 is there. This 10 will multiply 10 to the power 4. So u will come, if you take under root, 16 under root will become 4, 10 to the power 4 under root will become 10 to the power 2. So u will be coming as 400 meter per second. Very simple questions are asked. No twist, no trick, nothing. You write the next question. Chalo, one more previous year NEET question. Nabeen, u square by 2g, maximum range, Baba. U square by g. You write the next question. Yeah, Oppo, it's Rolex. After watching Bikram movie, I finally bought one Rolex watch. Original Rolex. Original Rolex. Yeah, original Rolex. Yeah, okay. Huh. I have to sell my one kidney for buying this watch. One kidney sold. Okay. One kidney sold for it. Rate, what you'll do by knowing the rate? You just know priceless thing, one kidney I sold. Leave it, Nayak, leave it, leave it. Let's do the question. Let's do the question. Okay, no problem. You write. You write. A ball is thrown to have maximum range R. A ball is thrown to have maximum possible range R. A ball is thrown to have maximum possible range R. Find the maximum possible vertical height attended by it. A ball is thrown to have maximum possible range R. Find the maximum possible height attended by it. Find the maximum possible height attended by it. Find the maximum possible height attended by it. 2R. A ball is thrown to have maximum possible range R. Find the maximum possible height attended by it. Answer will come R by 4. Answer will come R by 4, not R by 2. People are doing one mistake there. They're using one concept which I will tell after this. No problem. First thing you tell me, maximum possible range is given means one more thing is given now. Maximum possible range is given means what is given? What is given? Theta is also given. How much theta? 45 degree. What they're asking you, H max. Range is already given R. Do you know any relation which relates H max, tan theta and R? Do you know any relation which relates H max, tan theta and R? Yeah. You simply say, sir, we know, sir. Tan theta will be coming as 4H max by R. So from here, tan theta you can put here, tan 45 will come 1. This will be 4H max by R. So from here you will get the maximum height which projectile will attain, that is R by 4. This is the answer. Everyone got? Everyone got? Okay, very good. But R by 2 is also something. Can you guess what is R by 2? What is R by 2? R by 2 is also something. Some people were saying R by 2. That was also something is R by 2. For vertical projection. If anyone asks you, find the maximum possible height, vertical height to which it can be thrown, then it will come R by 2. Be focused, थोड़ा ध्यान से. Be focused. I'm going to tell you one concept which is given in NCERT. Yeah, be careful. This is the question which is given in NCERT. Tomorrow it can come directly in the NEET exam. What happened? Student get confused. What happened? They start using both of the result. Sometimes they will start using. So be focused, understand what I'm trying to tell. Be focused, ध्यान से. Be 100% focused, otherwise tomorrow question will come. You will be confused whether to use R by 2, whether to use R by 4. In that you lose your marks. So थोड़ा ध्यान से समझो. Understand what I'm trying to tell. Just see here, okay? Always remember now, if anyone will ask you to throw the ball to maximum horizontal distance. Someone came to me, I'm standing here, someone came to me and he gave this mobile phone and he said, I'm very frustrated using this mobile phone. So many calls are coming, so many messages are coming. Get me rid of this phone. What I will do? I will throw it to maximum horizontal distance. You tell me at what angle I will throw so that it will not come back. At what angle I will throw? 45. So always remember, if anyone asks you for maximum horizontal distance, if anyone says, I have a ball, I want to throw the ball to the maximum horizontal distance, means they are talking about maximum possible range. For that, you will throw the ball at 45 degree. And that it will come U square by G. This is the maximum possible horizontal distance you can throw a ball. Okay, no problem. No, I will not throw. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will not throw. Okay, no problem. So if anyone asks you to throw the ball to a maximum horizontal distance, now you will throw at 45 degree. No problem. So we'll throw at 45 degree. It will go to maximum horizontal distance. Here, if you check in this parabolic path, in this parabola, if anyone asks you what is the maximum height, here it is going on parabolic path now. So here if anyone asks you, find the maximum height attained by this ball which is thrown for maximum range. Here if anyone asks you, then you will use tan 45 equal to 4H max by R. And from here you will get H max as R by 4. This H max is R by 4, which I asked you in the previous question. But if someone asks you here only someone asks you, a ball can be thrown to a maximum horizontal distance R, find the maximum vertical height it can be thrown. What is the maximum? What they're not asking you, what is the maximum height attained by it? What is the maximum height attained by this projectile? No, they're asking you, what is the maximum possible vertical height you can throw the ball? You tell me now also will you throw horizontally? Now also will you throw at 45 degree? No. Someone said throw it to maximum vertical height. So I will take the ball and like this, I'll throw vertically up for maximum vertical height, for maximum possible vertical height, for maximum possible vertical height, for maximum possible vertical height. You will throw the ball vertically up. This is how you will throw. You'll throw like this, and here you know na H max. What is this H max? You know na, if you throw vertically upward, how much it will come? U square by 2g. U square by 2g, which is half of this. Which is half of this. If you put here, you will get from here H max as R max by 2. R max, but always remember this is not of parabola, not of parabola, and this is of parabola. Are you getting? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? कुछ समझ? You'll be confused. I have seen students sometimes by chance they get correct, sometimes by chance they get wrong. If anyone asks you, find the maximum height attained by the projectile who's got maximum range R, there R by 4. But if anyone asks you, find the maximum possible vertical height to which I can throw the same ball, R by 2. Are you getting the idea? Bolo, 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 bolo. And no need to remember. I'm not asking you to remember. I'm just telling you difference between these two. This is not of parabola. This is separate motion. This is of parabola. For this parabola, R by 4 will come. For this parabola, I will give you one question. Come on. I will give you one question, and both questions I will ask. Don't do mistake. You write. And same question of NCERT I will give you. First part will be the question of NCERT. Second part will be of this. You write. A boy can throw a ball. A boy can throw a ball to a maximum horizontal distance of 100 meter. A boy can throw a ball to a maximum horizontal distance of 100 meter. Find maximum vertical height. Find, first question, maximum vertical height. Find maximum vertical height he can throw the same ball. Yeah, answer will come 50. Very good. Answer will come. You got the idea. Find first maximum vertical height he can throw the same ball. Means now he will not throw at 45. Now he'll throw vertically up. Maximum height will come U square by 2g. That is half of the maximum range. First, maximum vertical height he can throw the same ball. Second question. Maximum vertical height attained by the ball. Maximum vertical height attained by the ball. Now they are asking you for that projectile, what is the maximum vertical height? Just now you studied R by 4. So first one answer will come. Your maximum vertical height will come. This is not of parabola. For this you are throwing vertically up. This will come 50 meter. And second, they are saying you maximum height attained by the ball. Means for that projectile only they are asking you. So there you know this will be coming as R by 4, 25. Done. Bolo. Torga. Ha, okay. Now you'll not be confused now. Yeah, so always read the question. Always whenever such question comes, some trick is there, always read the question. Yeah, okay, now we are going to move further. Yeah. Now, first property of projectile range done. Again, before moving further, you tell me for what angle range of the projectile is maximum? 45 degree. Acha, what is that maximum range? What is that maximum range? Bolo. U square by G, U square by G, U square by G. You tell me, what is the maximum vertical height up to which we can throw a ball if maximum horizontal distance is R by 2. Maximum vertical height up to which we can throw is R. Suhas, not R by 4, Baba. R by 4 is the answer. You tell me if anyone says, what is the maximum height attended by that projectile? Then R by 4. Then R by 4. We can use tan theta equal to 4h max by R. We'll get the answer. No problem. No problem. Now understand. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ha. Acha, here one more question is asked. I think you'll be familiar with this question, but since it is famous question, so I will also again tell you. I will also tell you again. Okay, no problem. Ha. You know, for example, just here. You tell me, for example, if you have a gun, if you want the gun to cover up, gun to cover up maximum distance, for bullet to cover up maximum distance, what angle you will fire the bullet? 45 degree, yeah. Assume a situation, yeah, 45 degree will fire, sir. Okay, no problem, yeah. You tell me, when you are firing with 45 degree now, your bullet will reach to maximum horizontal distance. And you tell me, if you start rotating the gun, can you tell me on the ground which structure will be formed? Circle will be formed. And that circle is your area of concern. Anything present in that circle now, you can hit that with the bullet. This is used by army people. Army people don't know where is enemy. The enemy will not come to army people. They are hiding behind. They will call, Anna, I am behind the tree. Shoot one shell there. Fire one bullet there. No. They what they do? They just guess. They just put the gun at 45 degree. And they fire the bullet to maximum horizontal distance. Then they rotate the gun. When they rotate the gun, all the area formed will be covered by them. So question is asked from there. I will give you one question. You write. I think many people are knowing. Give an answer also. Very good. You write. Same thing is done with water pipe also. You tell me, when you go in, if you are going in garden to give water to the flowers, when the water is coming from the pipe now, it is projectile only. It is projectile only. If you rotate like this now, on the ground, you are going to get a circle. All the flowers lying in that circle will get the water. Flowers outside it will not get the water. You write the question. You write, a cannon fires bullet in all possible directions. A cannon fires bullet in all possible directions with same speed u. Find the maximum area. Find the maximum area which can be covered by the cannon or bullets, whatever you want, you can say. Find the maximum area which can be covered by the cannon. From where 2 will come, Ashwak? Pi r square na, circle will be formed na. What is area of circle? Pi r square na. If you want area to be maximum, radius has to be maximum na. And radius is what here? Range is the radius. This is the circle which you will get. If you join, this is what I was talking. If you join, you are going to get a circle. Wow. Very nice. Without help of anything, I draw very nice, perfect circle. Ideal circle. And see there, so nice. Even computer cannot draw better than this. Samita, very good. Nayak, very good. Ashwak, very good. Tell me the answer. I'm seeing. (1938), very good. Bikram, very good. Vivo, very good. I think everyone is getting. What a big deal, sir. We understood. We understood the concept, sir. We can get in one line. Yeah, I think everyone got. Nothing to worry. Yeah. Ha. I will simply say, sir, you want area of the circle now. So area will come pi r square. But yeah, Varsha, very good. Yeah. But I will say, sir, I don't want any area. I want maximum area. If you want maximum area na, radius has to be maximum. And radius is nothing, sir. Radius is range here. देखो यहाँ पे clarity should be there, sir. Radius is nothing. Radius is the range, sir. Radius is the range, sir. So radius is equal to range, sir. That means, sir, if you want radius to be maximum, range has to be maximum. And that maximum range we know, sir. That means maximum radius also we know, sir. U square by G. So from here we can say maximum area will become, sir, pi r square, maximum radius square. What is maximum radius? U square by G. So square of this. That means area maximum will come, yeah, pi u to the power 4 by G square. Done. Everyone got? Now see here, the question which came this year in JEE Mains, this question came in JEE Mains, there they gave the velocity of the two guns. They said two guns are there and they ask about ratio of area. So you can see here, area is proportional to u to the power 4. They said one gun fires with 2 meters per second, other gun fire with 4 meters per second. Find the ratio of area covered by them. You can do now. This is also asked in the terms of water also it is asked. If pipe is there, find the area of plant which will get water, or this is also asked. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation. We'll move to the next special property. You can find, no problem. Once you complete, you can say done, sir. And once I will say done, sir, you start saying done, sir. No patience is there. Yeah. We have hunger, sir. Hunger to become doctor. Hunger of knowledge. Yeah. Okay. Hunger for NEET 2023. No problem, sir. We are wounded tiger, sir. Now we are not normal people. We are wounded. Chot laga hai, sir. Chot. We have got suffered. We have suffered. Yeah, wounded lion, whatever. Yeah, Sir, we have suffered this year. Next year, we have to take the revenge. We are working with agony. There's a pain inside. That pain is giving us positive energy to work hard. That feeling should be there inside. We'll murder NTA. Whatever has to be done, we will do, sir. We are ready for all the consequences. Just next year, doctor banna hai to banna hai. Come on. Yeah. We'll move to the next part. Next important situation, next important property. Acha, okay, no problem. Acha, have you seen somewhere in the mall or somewhere in the park water fountain? Have you seen? Acha, have you observed from some fountain what will happen? Now, water will come from the same place or on the road, whatever, anywhere you have observed. But in some of the water fountain, I'm saying not everywhere. You'll find that water will come from the same place. But what will happen? One will be coming like this. Yeah. They will start from the same place. They will land on the same place. But they will not follow the same path. You'll find that one water fountain is going to more height. One is going to less height. But still they are falling at the same place. Have you seen like that? They will be like this. This is the ground. One water fountain will be smaller one. One will be bigger one. But they will land at the same place. Yeah, this will not happen for any angle. There is a particular relation of the angle. Yeah. So I will be talking about. So this is how it will appear. If you have two balls, you are throwing with the same speed. First ball I am throwing with θ1. Yeah, people are knowing angles must be complementary. Yeah. Two complementary angles we require. Yeah. So if you are throwing first ball at an angle θ1 with speed u, second ball you are throwing with same speed u, but angle θ2. then possibility is there, not mandatory. It's not like that always this thing will happen, but for a particular, but for a special case, what you will find that now both will land at the same place. Maybe their heights are not equal. H1 and H2, you can see their maximum heights are not equal. Their time of flights will not be equal. But what you'll find that their ranges are equal. You tell me, does this thing will always happen? हमेशा होगा क्या? Or for particular angles only? Or for what are those angles? Tell me, what is the relation of those angles? Angles must be complementary. If one angle is theta, yeah, this for two different angle, projectile can have same range, and condition for that is the angles must be complementary. Angle must be complementary. Complementary means theta 1 plus theta 2 should be 90 degree. That means if theta 1 is theta, your theta 2 will be 90 minus theta. So always remember, we say like this, range for theta will be same as range for 90 minus theta. Range for theta, yeah, okay, very good. Range for theta will be same as range for 90 minus theta, or you can say range for 30 degree will be same as range for, come on, tell me. Range for 30 degree will be same as range for 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. Range for 15 degree will be same as range for 90 minus 15, that is 75. So yeah, okay, very good. So this is the second special property. First you can write this. For two different angles, your projectile can have same range, but those angles must be complementary. Sum of angles must be 90 degree. Done. Now understand one situation. Be careful. Just here I will tell you one situation. Little conceptual, little tricky. Yeah. We have up to oblique projection. Yeah, that is our syllabus. No problem. We'll be able to complete. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Understand one point. So for example, let's take this one. Let's take this situation. Okay, no problem. I am saying the range for 30 degree is same as range for 60 degree. No problem, sir. We understood. Angles complementary. Achha, tell me, does that time of flight will be also equal? Does time of flight also equal? No, time of flight. Who will have more time of flight? Can you think which ball, 30 degree or 60 degree? Who will have more time of flight? See, always remember, more angle means ball will go more height. It will take more time. More angle means more height, more time. So always remember, here if I say ranges are equal, R1 is equal to R2. But if we talk about T1, T1 will be less than T2. H1 will be less than H2. More angle means more theta, because u is same here u is same, so that's why we say more theta means more time and more h. You can also feel that if you give more angle, it will go to more height, it will take more time, but range will be equal. Bolo, done. And you know one thing here, just see here, okay, no problem. And if you know this time T1 and T2 now, you can find range, because T1 you can write now 2u sine theta by g, T2 you can write 2u sine 90 minus theta, which will be cos theta. So if you know T1, T2 now, you can relate that with the time. That is product of time of flight here. T1 into T2 will come 2r by g. Or you can say directly proportional to range. 2 times this question has been asked. You can find, you can prove by yourself. T1 you can write 2u sine theta by g. T2 you can write 2u sine 90 minus theta means cos theta by g. Multiply them. This result will come. But it's so important that you should keep in your mind. If you don't keep, then you multiply, you'll get. So with the help of time, you can find range. Acha, with the help of height, can I find range? Is there any way to find range if heights are known? That is also possible. You have h1, h2, multiply them, you'll get the relation. That is, range will be coming as 4 times of root h1 into h2. 4 times of root h1 into h2. You can do that. Do you want me to prove any one of them? Which you feel tough, I can prove. Which one? One you will prove. One I will prove. Range, okay. This one I will prove. Height. Height is very easy. This one is very easy to prove. Just see here. You can prove in different manner, but I will prove in the easiest way. This one I will prove. अरे इसमें तो बहुत ही आसान है ना बाबा. T1 2u sin theta by g. T2 2u sin 90 minus theta means cos theta by g. Multiply karo, one line it will come. People struggle here. People don't get clarity here. Here I can do. What are these? These are the heights now. These are the heights now. H1 is the maximum height attained by first one. H2 is maximum height attained by second one. Just see how easily I will prove. I will prove easily. Just see here, okay. Shall I prove? Prove karu? I will simply say, just see here, just see here. Acha, range is same na, range will be same R na. Theta 90, range will be same R na. So you can simply say, sir, when angle is theta, I can write tan theta. 4 H1 by R. Can I write? No problem. Shabita, you can see this will help your understanding. Tan theta 4 H1 by R, because sometimes you'll be confused. So this must be known to you. Second one, tan 90 minus theta, which is also cot theta. Na? Tan minus 90 minus theta is also, what is tan 90 minus theta, which is your cot theta. Okay, I will write in the next step. Tan 90 minus theta will be 4 H2 by R. Range is same, na? That's why same RR. And what is this tan 90 minus theta? What is this? What is this tan 90 minus theta? Cot theta. Now if you multiply them, can you tell me what will be cot theta into tan theta? If you multiply them, cot theta, I'm going to multiply both sides. I'm going to multiply both equation. What is tan theta into cot theta? 1. You know both are reverse of each other. So tan theta into cot theta will give you 1. But here what you will get? 4 into 4, 16. H1 into H2 by R into R square. By R square. Bolo, is it okay? I'm just multiplying both equations. You got the answer, na? You got the answer, na? R square will be 16 H1 into H2. So R will be 4 root H1. Sometimes a student get confused in the exam. That's why you must know these small derivations. That will help you. Some people were asking for time of flight also. I can do for you. No problem. Anything for you. Anything for you. You said, sir, derive for time. Okay. Okay. You are asking. My students are asking. I will derive. Sir, T1. T1 is how much, sir? 2u sine theta by g. T2 is how much, sir? 2u sine 90 minus theta by g. Sir, if you multiply them, see here, 2 into 1, 2 and 1 g I will keep outside. 2 by g I will keep outside. And here see what will happen. Magic will happen. U into u is u square. Sine theta, this sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, and 1, 2 is left. So 2 sine theta into cos theta by g. Dekho. Same thing I have arranged here. Voice gone. Voice is coming now. Okay. No problem. Okay, coming. See here, 2u sine theta by g, and for second one, angle is 90 minus theta, na? So 2u sine 90 minus theta, which is cos theta by g. 1g and 2 and g, I am taking outside. So u square, 1, 2 is left. This is sine theta. This sine theta converted to cos theta by g. Now what is this? ये क्या है r? This is the range na baba. So you got from here na t1 into t2 will be equal to. You can write. These things helps us. These derivations help us when we are in trouble. Basics help us when we are in trouble. These are the basics. Bolo, 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 done. Acha, one question came in the NEET previously. Acha, what do you feel? What will be range for 45 plus alpha and 45 minus alpha? Sometimes a student get confused. That's why I'm asking. Are these angles complementary? Always remember, if anyone give you like this 45 plus alpha, 45 minus alpha, 60 plus alpha, 30 minus alpha, all these are complementary. It's not like theta and 90 minus theta. No. If sum comes 90 means complementary. Here also, if I say 60 plus alpha and 30 minus alpha, students start getting confused. Sir, you said theta and 90 minus theta. Here it is no problem. These are also complementary angles only. Sum is 90 degree. All these will have same range. These are complementary only. R1 will be equal to R2. So this is how we talk about second property of range. Done? Done? Shall we move further? Shall we move to the next part and last part from here? You write equation of trajectory. 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 Oh, thank you. Yeah, style should be there always. Without style, life is boring. So style rehna chahiye. There should be some style. There should be some attitude. These things are required in the life. So equation of trajectory. Shall we start? Shuru kare? Okay, no problem. Okay, yeah, okay. So we are going to talk about Oh, thank you. Realme, thank you. Yeah. Okay. Now understand what is meaning. What is meaning of word trajectory? What is trajectory? Trajectory means path. You have seen in many movies, many places, one radar will be there. In the movie related with army, you'll see radar is there. They will fire one missile. Missile is coming. They will show the path. Dotted line they will show. In many movies you have seen now. Dekha hai kya? That is known as trajectory. That is known as trajectory. Path followed by a body is known as trajectory. If I start here running like this, my path will be known as my trajectory. And every path we can represent by equation. So always remember, when you know na, projectile follows parabolic path. When you represent that parabolic path with the help of equation, every path can be represented by particle is moving on a straight line. You write its equation y equal to mx plus c. Particle is moving in circle. You write equation x square plus y square equal to r square. Particle is moving. Planets are moving in elliptical path. You write the equation on ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Why we do all these things? Because every path can be represented by equation. And always remember one thing, NCRT point, NCRT line, I'm going to quote here. Dhyan se suno, assertion reasoning nowadays can be asked. One person came to me and he said, sir, you are saying, sir, if you throw the ball like this, ball will go as a projectile. Path of the projectile is parabola. If anyone asks me what's the proof, he can say, you are saying, sir, parabola, but if I will do like this, it can be a half circle also, na, some part of circle also. Na. Someone can comment on me, na, what is the proof that this path is parabola only? Proof of parabolic path is the trajectory, is the equation. When we derive the equation, we find that equation you write. This equation is the proof that path followed by projectile. This equation is the proof that path followed by projectile is parabola. This equation is the proof that path followed by the projectile is parabola. Because equation is quadratic in nature. Always remember, every quadratic equation represents parabola because equation is quadratic in nature. These are the lines of NCRT where they say that they don't say that path is parabola. At the last, they derive this equation. There they say, since this equation obtained is quadratic, hence we can say that path of the projectile is parabola because every quadratic equation represents parabola. Is this point is okay? Correct? Is this point is okay for all of you? Tomorrow assertion reasoning they can ask, so that's why, no problem. Now let's see here how to get this equation of trajectory. How I will get equation of trajectory? Equation of trajectory means equation of path, sir. Path means relation between x coordinate and y coordinate. So let's see here what happened. Yeah. Okay. So this is, for example, this is your ground. You know, ground is along our x-axis. And this is our vertical height, which is along y-axis. The point from where we throw the ball. For example, if I'm throwing the ball from here, so we take this point as our origin. And we throw the ball with some speed u. What happened? Ball goes like this. Like this. Ajay, tell me, how many points ball passes while moving? How many points ball is passing while moving in air? How many points it is passing? Infinite. You can relate all the infinite points with the help of equation. You can relate all those. You said, na, sir, ball is passing through infinite number of points. How to relate those points? Those points are related with equation of trajectory. I will simply say, sir, let's assume one general point. X, I am assuming for this point, but this equation of trajectory will work for this point also. For every point, this equation will be applicable. Yeah, locus of point. Yeah, better become, yeah, you can say locus of all the points lying on this path. For all the points you can write, you can relate their x coordinate and y coordinate. That equation is our equation of trajectory. See here how we will get. I will do little fast. Just see here. Yeah. For example, this is the point. Always remember, x coordinate is nothing. X coordinate is displacement on x-axis. X coordinate of the projectile is what? Displacement along x-axis. And y coordinate of the projectile is displacement along y-axis. Now we'll simply say, that means, sir, x coordinate means displacement along x-axis, which I can write, sir. This x coordinate is displacement along x-axis, which you can write using second equation, ux into t plus half ax into t square. Is it okay? X coordinate ux into t plus half x into t square. बोल दो एक बार जल्दी से. Is it okay? Okay, no problem. Okay, so x is the x is means displacement along x-axis, sir. That is ux into t plus half x into t square. But point is ax is 0. That means you can write x coordinate simply as ux into t, or you can write x coordinate as u cos theta into t. U cos theta into t, because ax is 0. Yeah, you already know. Huh? Now similarly, sir, I can write y coordinate also, sir. Y coordinate means, sir, displacement along y axis, which we can write, sir, ui into t plus half ay into t square. And now we know ay. What is ay now? Ay is how much? Minus g. Very good. Where you remember everything. Yeah. Ay will be, sir, minus g. Now here if you put, sir, y coordinate will come ui into t. Ui you know, u sine theta. So u sine theta into t. Ay is what? Ay is minus g. If you put here minus half gt square. You tell me, is these two equations are equation of trajectory? Ui is not 0, Baba, u sine theta. Is these two equations are equation of trajectory? Is these two equations are equation of trajectory? Bolo, jaldi. No, they are not equation of trajectory. They are just showing you how x coordinate depend on time, how y coordinate. Equation of trajectory means there should be only relation between x coordinate and y coordinate. Remaining things must be constant. Here time is there, here time is there. You tell me, what is the common factor between both equations? What is the common thing between both x? What is present in both of them? Time. Samay. Time is the most powerful thing. So time is there. Samay sabse bada hota hai. So time is the most important thing. So time connects them. Find t from here. X by u cos theta. Once you got t, akada petandi. Once petandi, equation vastundi. Y will be coming as u sin theta into t. T is how much? X by u cos theta. Minus half gt square. Half gt square. T we know, sir. T is, yeah, T is, sir, t square. That is x square by u square cos square theta. Finally, if you arrange, you will get your final result. Final result will come. Now from here, if you see, u cancel, sin theta by cos theta will become tan theta. So the y will become sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, x tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. This is our equation of trajectory. Bolo, bolo, bolo. Bolo, bolo, bolo. Y equal to x tan theta minus half gx square by u square cos square theta. Y equal to x tan theta into y equal to x tan theta minus half gx square by u square cos square theta. What you are observing, this equation is of what nature? This equation is of what? Quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means, this is the proof I was saying you. This is a quadratic equation means parabola. Done. Later on we will talk. Yeah, everything will talk slowly. But numericals are not there for this week. For this week, we have only up to this equation of trajectory and its form. Is it okay? Some syllabus change happened in between. Actually, we planned complete this, but in offline batch, some problem due to that. Yeah, shifting of batch. Yeah. So syllabus is only up to equation of trajectory. That is also question will not come, means this is, but just derivation is there. But no one will ask you to derive, na? Yeah. Is it okay? Bolo. So this is how we have talked about. More situations from here we'll be talking in our next class. Those who want to say something, we can wait. Okay, those things we will talk. No problem, no problem. Those who want to leave, some doubt will be there. You can ask for me. Just wait for 1 minute. Just wait for 1 minute. Those who don't have any doubt, you can, okay, you can leave the meeting. No problem. So this is how we have talked for, not for everyone. I'm saying, yeah. Yeah. So this is how we have talked today. More situations from here we'll be talking in our next class. For today, we'll be ending our class here only. Work with full strength. Pura mehnat karo. Do to such a limit that people will see you, and yeah, people will see you and they will say, we'll give example of yours that he did not got selected last year, but see how much good rank he has got. Get more than 650. या हाँ, जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं, जब तक फोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. till the till the last breath, till the last need 2023, every point, every drop of my blood will belong to my success next year. I will write success story next year. For that, I'm working hard. So work with this spirit, get good rank in your NEET exam finally. More situations from here we'll be talking in the next class. For today, we'll be ending here only. Tata, bye, 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 bye. Those who have doubt, they can say, yeah, Gagan Dev, that is required. Bye, 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 bye. Take care. Bye, 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 bye. Bye.